Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom machihan. So this is the mushroom, and then I have also peeled some garlic which we will be using at the end. So this is the garlic, and then here we have 2 king chili, 2 eggplant or brinjal, 2 tomatoes, and then 1 eling dry fish. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use to make mushroom machihan.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos.
Okay, so before cooking this mushroom, I'm going to boil it because as we all know that all the mushrooms that we get in the market are not always eatable. So here I'm going to use traditional way of tasting this mushroom. So we will be adding some garlic and then we will boil it. So while cooking this, if the garlic turns into black, then it is not eatable. But if it doesn't, then it is eatable. Now let's start boiling the mushroom. As you can see, it has started to boil and the color of the garlic has not changed. So it means these mushrooms are not poisonous. This is ready now, so let's turn off the flame and then we will keep it aside. Now let's start the main process by transferring the ingredients into the cooking pot. So I have already transferred the king chili eling dry fish. And now let's roughly slice the tomatoes. Let's add some salt to taste. And then some water to boil it. Now let's start cooking it. Before adding the mushroom into the machihan, let's wash the mushroom with cold water. Now let's squeeze the mushroom and then we will add it into our machihan. And let's stir it once. It has started to boil, so now let's cover it with the lid and let it cook. Now let's slice some ginger and then we will add it to the machihan. We have been cooking for about 20 minutes in a full flame, and as you can see, the gravy has almost dried up. So now we will add the roughly pounded garlic and let's give it a good stir. Now we will add the eggplant or brinjal. This brinjal is actually plucked from our kitchen garden, so it looks very fresh and of course it tastes very good too. Lastly, let's add some lemon juice. And yeah, we are done with our mushroom machihan in Lota Naga style. I hope you like it.